Ozone, the leading provider of architectural hardware and security solutions. Presenting Agate Safe. Ozone Agate Safe is a digital personal safe operated with user code. Ozone Agate Digital Safe comes with user-friendly features and is operated with 3 to 8 digits user code. Resetting the user code for the first time. Agate Digital Safe comes with a factory set user code which should be changed with your own user code before start using the safe. Refer user manual for factory set user code. To reset the user code, press red reset button located on the inner surface of the door. Proceed indicator will turn on with a beep sound. Enter new 3 to 8 digit user code of your choice and press star or hash button. Proceed indicator will turn off with beep sound. That means your new user code is accepted and set successfully. Bring the door to close position and rotate the knob anti-clockwise to lock the safe. Operating the Ozone Agate Safe with user or master code. To open the Agate Safe, enter your 3 to 8 digit user or master code and press star or hash button. Ready indicator will turn on with beep sound. Then rotate the knob clockwise and pull the knob to open the safe door. To lock the safe door, bring the safe door in closed position and rotate the knob anti-clockwise to lock the safe. Setting the master code. Agate Digital Safe does not come with a factory set master code. You can set your own master code using following steps. To set the master code, keep the safe door open. Press 0 key twice. Then press red reset button located on the inner surface of the door. Proceed indicator just above the keypad will turn on with a beep sound. Enter a new 3 to 8 digit master code of your choice and press star or hash button. Proceed indicator will turn off with beep sound. That means your new master code is accepted and set successfully. Bring the door to close and lock it by rotating the knob anti-clockwise. Open the safe with master code if user code forgotten. Using mechanical override key to open the Agate Safe. If user and master code forgotten, open the safe with mechanical override key and reset the user code. Or if batteries are dead, open the Agate Safe with mechanical override key and change batteries immediately and set user and master code again. If mechanical override keys are also misplaced, contact Ozone customer care for assistance. Auto secure function. Every wrong user code entry will alert you with proceed indicator blinking with beep sound. If wrong user code is entered 3 times consecutively, the electronic keypad of the safe will go in secure mode for 20 seconds. Proceed indicator will start blinking with the beeping sound. Keypad will be frozen and no input will be allowed through electronic panel. If wrong user code entered 3 times consecutively again, the safe will go in secure mode for another 5 minutes. Proceed indicator will start blinking with a beeping sound. Keypad this time will be frozen for 5 minutes. Open the safe with mechanical override key and set the user and master code again. Low battery indicator. If the safe's battery is low at any time, a low battery indicator will appear above the keypad to alert you. Change the batteries immediately. The Agate Safe size is ideal to fit in any furniture space. Agate Safe is excellent option for gifting on occasions like birthdays. Ozone Digital Safes ensure effective safety for all your important documents like passports, legal agreements, insurance papers, computer data, jewelry, cash and other valuables. They can be used at home, office, hotels and showrooms for safekeeping of valuables. Always remember some important points for hassle-free usage of Ozone Agate Safe and security of your valuables. In case the electronic system of the safe does not work, please contact Ozone customer care instead of tempering the safe yourself. Always keep your manual safely for reference in future and invoice copy with warranty card to claim warranty of the product in case of any problem. Ozone Digital Safes for risk-free, assured safety of valuables.